Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg Jeep Compass Limited. Jeep Compass Limited, 68 reg, diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors. Very clean car, as you can see. Front parking sensors as well. Handbooks, locking wheel nut key there, very important. See the seats are good. Side airbags. Good fit in there. There. Out of the way. Privacy glass in the rear. Isofix rear seats. The car has a USB and a power outlet there. Look, 3-pin plug. USB as well. Four-by-4, four-wheel drive, obviously. Jeep Compass Limited. Huge boot area. You'll be able to fit a spare wheel under there. Inflation kit there. BEETS audio. Upgraded stereo. Has a rear camera here. These seats obviously will fold down if you wish. 4 electric windows, 1 touch front windows, electric folding mirrors, electronic memory seat, electronically adjustable driver's seat, engine stop start. As I say, this vehicle's keyless. Electronic passenger seat as well, so both front seats are electronically adjustable. Illuminated vanity mirror, both sides. To start the vehicle up, you push this button here. The vehicle's done 18,243 miles. Sat nav. Heated seats both sides. Navigation, view the map. Phone. No. Don't want to connect a phone. Media. DAB radio. Apps. Heated steering wheel. Media. Apps. Lots of different options in here. Phone. Don't want to connect a phone. USB and auxiliary here. Here is a self-parking. We'll show you this up here. If you tune that in, you can see, I'll push this button here. You can see it's got active sense parking. That's self-parking basically. Just notice there's a USB here as well. USB and auxiliary there. 4-wheel drive lock here. Different settings. Automatic. Handbrake is here. Stop start, traction control. Little pocket there. Nice little pocket there. Handy little pocket. It's climate control as well actually. So this is this is where you tune your radio from here. Self-dimming mirror when someone comes up behind you. To turn the vehicle off, you push that button, but let me show you this. Cruise control there. Telephone buttons here. Speed limiter here. Wipers here. Lights are here, auto lights as well, as you can see. In the end, the auto lights. This is your stop start button here. Push this to turn it off. Beats audio stereo. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.